I walk around like that nigga. Finger on the trigger. If a nigga wants some smoke, I let the chopper eat his liver. I came with the 38, I'm leaving with a body.
Of this, can't wait up underneath my skin. Of this, I've been looking for a way out of this cage you keep me in. Your hands touch my neck as your breath creeps up underneath my skin. I can't help but to want it. If you are my love, come get it. And I can't fight that grip on my heart. And if love is a drug, I don't want it. Because I don't have any self-control. The harder I try to get off it, the more I can see that I need it. I was hoping that you'd see what my heart's doing to me. 'Cause your love has me tied and bound, can't let go. And if love is a drug, I don't want it. Because I don't have any self-control. The harder I try to get off it, the more I can see that I need it.
To be a part of something real, but you only left me with scars. You could have been the one to prove me wrong. We could have been crazy in love. The table was there for your cards, yeah. But you couldn't lay them out. You kept them all for yourself. Left me in the dark, how could you? You know you were wrong, I should've left you when I had the chance back then. Wish I'd have known it was just pretend for you. I have to admit it though, the illusion was beautiful. You thought this was love. You should've told the truth and saved me all the time that I wasted on you. Now there's no more time for us. and you should've laid them out. The cards that you get for yourself left me in the dark. How could you?